A good marriage and relationship is built on several key elements, including mutual respect. The two has to respect themselves, no matter the age difference, no matter even if they are age group or in the same age mates. There must be mutual respect. Respecting each other's thoughts, feelings, and boundaries is essential for a healthy and a fulfilling relationship. It is very, very good to respect each other's space, respect each other's boundaries, and this will have been pointed out during courtship. Revealing your boundaries and likes and dislikes now may be a bit troublesome, may make you look as if you are troublesome. But it is good to reveal all this even before you go deep into courtship. Let your partner, intended spouse, know your boundaries, your do's, your don'ts, and your dislikes. It is very good. It helps you maintain the strong lane of respect for each other. There must be effective communication. This always come up in relationship and marriage issues. Speak out, communicate effectively. When you communicate well, your partner will be an active listener. But if you communicate with quarrels, with fights, with hard and harsh words, you will never get the attention of your partner. So communicate effectively with meekness, with humility. Don't play the role of the boss. Do not play the role of I'm the head. I must talk, and you should not talk while I'm talking. No, it's not right. That is not how to communicate effectively. Call the attention of your partner. Let your partner know you need to discuss. Mostly, it is better to do it while the two are alone, probably in the night. You can wake your partner up that you need to talk. If your partner says he or she is not ready at that time, do not get angry about it. Seek for another time. Let your partner know that you need to talk, but don't do it harshly. Don't make it compulsory. You have to get the attention of your partner so that you can speak out and communicate properly, and definitely you will get what you want. You will get the attention of your partner and you talk it out. Openly communicate and honestly communicate with each other. It is critical for building trust, for resolving conflicts, and strengthening the bond between the two of you. To communicate, to sort out conflicts or express your concern should not be quarrel, should not be an issue that will cause fight and quarrel between the two of you. You should design, both of you should design and agree on ways at which you can talk things out, at which you can resolve conflicts. Another element is trust. Trust is the glue that holds any relationship together. Trust, even if it's not your spouse, any relationship, trust holds relationship together. It is essential for building a strong and lasting relationship when you trust each other. When you tell your spouse you are going to road A, you should not be found in road ABC. If you have to add more trips, more journey to your trips that you have told your partner, for example, give a call to your partner. Let your partner know that you have to add this trip to where you have informed before. Do not make it as an issue as if yes, I have to do what I like. No, there will be no trust in that. Make it real that whatever you say to your partner trusts you, that you have said the truth, and what you say you will do it. You don't go out of your way, you don't fall out of line. When you are living in trust, there will be no room for you to fornicate. It's only when you don't say the truth, when you don't live in truth with your partner, that you can have that will to have extramarital activity. So let there be trust. Trust puts the mind of your spouse at rest. Trust will not get your partner worried. When there is no trust, it initiates fights and quarrel, argument, disagreement every day. How can you live in such condition? So let there be trust. Maintain trust. Do not make yourself the one that your partner will be chasing about, sniffing on your movements, asking people about your movement. When your partner trusts you so well, even if your partner hears anything about you, your partner will not take it seriously. Your partner will not even tell the hearsayer that, oh, I'm going to ask my husband, I'm going to ask my wife. Though your spouse may come and find out from you, but your spouse will never show it to the gossip monger, that you'll be asked, that you'll be challenged, that okay, when I get home, I'm going to deal with him, I'm going to deal with her. Leave the gossip mongers alone. Do not let them know that you are interested in buying the monged gossip about your spouse. Show them the trust you have in your spouse. Build the trust. Let your partner know that you want to trust each other. Let your partner know that you need to live in trust with each other, that you are not comfortable when you don't trust, that you want to live peacefully and comfortable in trust. Also, there should be a strong emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotion. That's your emotional intelligence. That no matter what happens, you should be able to manage your emotion as well as the emotion of your partner. Even when your partner is coming up with very strong emotion, building up negative emotion because your partner is not pleased with certain issue, you should be able to manage the situation. You should not go on and go along with your partner's anger and get angry too. Manage your partner's emotion, and if you can manage your own emotion, there's no way you will not be able to manage your partner's emotion. Your partner will have that respect and regard for you, knowing how well you manage emotions. We have different constitutional makeup. Some people are able to control themselves emotionally, some cannot. We are all different. You that are better than your spouse, try to manage the emotion, calm down the situation. Let your spouse know that what he thinks or what she thinks is not so, and this is the situation. And if your spouse is still boiling with anger at that moment, leave the situation for another time. You will start the discussion again. Do not get angry because your partner is angry. It won't work well. There also the importance of emotional intelligence also transfer into emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the closeness and connection that partners feel towards each other. It's essential for building a very strong and lasting relationship. As you build the emotional intelligence between the two of you, build emotional intimacy too. There must be strong emotional intimacy. Always find a reason for touching each other, for spanking each other in love, for hugs, for kiss, for hugs. Always find a reason for touching, sitting together, skin to skin, lay on the bed together. Do not deny your partner of copulation because you are angry. Do not separate rooms because you are angry. Do not go to take your sleep in the living room because you are angry. Stay in the room that you have been sharing together. You will talk things out. Cutting off of emotional intimacy is very dangerous, because to come back to it again may be a hard task. Let that emotional intimacy continue. Do not deny your spouse of copulation because you are angry. No, it's not done that way. That is too hard, especially for men. This denial makes men to look out. They feel they will have a substitute, an option outside. Remain with your partner no matter whatever has gone wrong. That is why you need to sort it out immediately, so that there will be no denial of emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy between two partners is very, very important. You don't need to cut off. You don't need to go into denial. It is essential to build a strong and lasting relationship. Very lasting relationship. Then sharing feelings and thoughts. Sharing feelings